Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video here I am going to showing that how to use Lightroom presets in your Android. And at first you need to download an application and the app link is given below the video description. And after downloading the application, just open the application in your device. And now you can see this is our application interface and you want to just tap on the first of the preset from here. And once again select the first of the presets from here. And sometimes now you have been thinking that is there only one preset in this application, and it's absolutely wrong. And by scrolling down you can see more of the presets also available in this application. And for showing the demo here I'm selecting the first of the preset from here. And now you can see our photos are showing here. And now you can see our gallery images has been appeared here. And you want to just scroll down and select one of the photo which you want to add the preset. And here I am selecting one of my photo. And now you can see this is the one of the original photo without any effects. And in the below you can see more of the effects and presets are here. And some of them are pro or a VIP presets. And if you want to enable or use these presets, you need to buy a subscription plan in this application. So here I am showing the free presets from here. And here I am selecting one of the first of the preset from here. And it doesn't matching. And second one, it doesn't match. And the third one. And now you can see our photo has been edited in a single click. And if you want to adjust this effects or these presets, you need to just drag this toggle bar from here. And you can see the changes happening in this photo. And if you want to see the before and after image, in the side of this toggle bar you can see an option and long press this option from here. And now you can see this is the before image, and after leaving this option you can see this is the after image. And in this application you can see more of the options also available here. And in the below of this you can see option settings, and you want to just tap on this settings or adjust tool. And now you can see if you want to crop this image, you want to just tap on this crop option. And if you want to add this brightness in one of the side of this image, you want to just tap on the selective and just move this option from here and just adjust the toggle bar from here. And there are more of the options like this: brightness, contrast, saturation, vibrance, and etc. And if you want, you can also adjust this toggle bar from here. And there is an option light and white balance and HSL details, borders, and etc. And in this application you can see more of the features are included in a single application, and you can edit your photos and videos in a single process within few clicks. And now let's check how to save this image from here. And you want to just tap on this done option from here. And now you can see exporting, and just wait till the seconds. And now you can see our photo has been saved to our gallery. And just tap on this OK and just check your gallery from here. And by using this method, you can edit your photos or videos in a single application with more features. And thanks for watching our video.